Your life looks completely normal, waking up, checking your phone, and going outside, just like everyone else. But the truth is, none of it is real. Because you are a spy, and your life is a lie. It all started on a normal day. A call, a meeting, and one simple question. Do you want a different life? You said yes, without knowing the cost. And that day, your normal life ended. Then the training began. They broke you, physically and mentally. Sleep became a luxury. Pain became normal. You learned how to lie, how to fight, and how to disappear without a trace. Slowly, you were no longer human. You became a weapon. They gave you a new identity, a new name, a new life. Now you live two lives, one for the world and one for the mission. Your first mission? Your heart was racing, but your face showed nothing. You completed it perfectly. And that's when you realized you're too good at this. But the truth is, in this world, you can't trust anyone. Not your team, not your targets, not even yourself. One day, you looked into the mirror, and the person staring back was not you. You had forgotten who you really are. Then it happened. A small mistake, a moment of hesitation, and suddenly, you became the target. Now you run, you hide. But deep inside, you already know there is no escape because a spy never really retires. POV. You wanted a different life. Now,